What's happening, everyone? We are back with another hard reset. Today we are doing the Galaxy A04. So if you have one of these with a pattern or a pin and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, we'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you do delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. And if you guys can, subscribe. We have a ton more stuff coming up with hard resets and teardowns. And if there's anything you want to see in particular, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up sooner than later. Otherwise, let's dive right into this. We want to make sure that we want to turn the phone off. And so don't know the pattern. And when we go to turn the phone off, some of these Samsungs, they won't let you turn it off because they want you to actually put the passcode in, which then defeats the purpose because you don't know what it is. So what we have to do is we basically have to restart the phone and at the same time get it into recovery mode. The recovery mode buttons for this model is volume up and power at the same time. To get the phone to restart, we need to hold all three buttons, volume up, volume down, and power. You don't want the screen to time out, so what I like to do is I'll hold volume up, volume down, and hold power. And I'll just tap the screen a couple times to make sure I know when the phone's actually off or if it, or the screen timed out. So the phone's off, then I'll just let go of volume down, hold volume up and power key. And then the phone restarts, I let go of power once the logo comes on, but still keep holding volume up. And this should take us to our recovery mode. Boom, there we go. And that's kind of how you go around that when you can't have the phone off to do the hard reset. I know I explained that in a couple other videos, but this is how you actually, see it in person. And let's scroll down to, you want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button to select, the volume button scroll, confirm. And then all the data is deleted, and you can either reboot system or power off. We'll just reboot it. And this will get to the welcome screen, and from there you can navigate the phone back to the home screen and set it up how you wish from the start. So that is how we do a hard reset on a Galaxy A04. If you guys have any questions or comments, just drop it down there and we'll try to get that up, try to get that going for you. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.